Hello. Let's discuss about the slope and deflection of the bending moment. how how due to the bending the slope were formed in the different structure. Let's first introduce what is slope and deflection. Slope and deflection. Deflection. If you can see that there is a beam, cantilever beam, if there is a bending moment M, then this beam will be deflect toward down. This displacement is known as deflection. Deflection of beam. Okay. If we see that there are many ways to show the deflection of a beam. First, by the curvature of the radius of curvature curvature means when the beam bend, it form a curved line, and the radius of this curved line will be so the deflection will happen in the beam. This is known as the radius of curvature. And another from the rotation, from the angle of rotation, rotation theta. Okay. If we see here, the theta is 0 degree. Here we see that theta is okay. And another method is showing is lateral displacement. Lateral displacement means when it's not bended, the beam is like that, and it's bent, then it's go down to some distance. Let's know why. This y is known as lateral displacement of if there is a point is q, then we can say that it is a lateral displacement of point q. Okay. Then the first calculate the radius of curvature of a beam. How will we calculate? Y u is equal to radius of curvature of the beam is equal to sigma y u is equal to E upon R. Okay, the equation derived, and we know that sigma yu is equal to m upon I, and it is equal to E upon R. E upon R, then we can say that 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R is equal to M upon EI. Okay, this is radius of curvature equation. Radius of curvature equation. Okay. Now we will see the angle of rotation in the beam. Angle of rotation in the beam. Angle of rotation in the beam. If this is a beam, this is the beam. It is deflected from the SOM angle like this. Then we can say that here we can say that point P. Here the point we can say point Q. Okay. Here the angle become theta Q. Here theta P. Then theta Q minus theta P is equal to the equation the derived equation will come like area of moment bata EI. What is the area of the moment? Area of the moment is equal to, then we draw the moment and the X diagram. Then equation, if the equation is like this, then we can say that the area is this area. Okay. Next deflection is the lateral displacement of the beam. Lateral displacement of beam. Okay. Let's see the lateral displacement of the beam. The equation for the lateral displacement of the beam is like if a beam is like this and like this, and it will be deflected to something like this. Okay. Then this displacement is known as lateral displacement. This displacement is known as displacement को क्या करते हैं? Displacement को lateral displacement. Okay, इसको lateral displacement कहते हैं. The equation for the lateral displacement is may be denoted like the del Q with respect to P. Okay. Then the equation will come like the area of moment bata EI guna X dash. What is the X dash? X dash is the centroid. You can get the centroid of the area moment diagram. From point Q. Okay. Now see the other. This is all the deflection. Okay, first क्या था? First will be radius of curvature. Formula क्या था? 1 upon r upon power m upon ei. Another formula is theta p minus theta q equal to क्या था? Area of movement बटा ei. Okay. Another formula is the lateral displacement. Lateral displacement equal to area moment बटा ei गुना. Now we will see the some example of this. We may remember some of the formula. Let's
हेलो
first the cantilever will
मुझे जिमी से मिलना है
having having momentum m.
हाय
Then their
आई एम अ ब्लॉगर आपके
deflection
के बारे में बहुत अच्छे रिव्यूज
of q
आई वुड लाइक टू
Q
ब्लॉग योर कैफे
equal to क्या हो जाएगा? ml upon ei, and the displacement of the q, what come? ml square upon 2ei. Okay. Another, if cantilever beam subjected to a point load w. Okay. Then the deflection of q is equal to deflection of q is equal to ml square upon 2ei. Okay. And deflection of q is equal to ml q upon 3 ei. Okay. Now we will see if cantilever is having UDL, having EDL. Equal to mlq upon 6 ei, and deflection of q equal to m l to power 4 upon